In this video, I'm going to be doing some trades on Polkadot option. So this is my first trade right here. So this is, I'm going to be trading some currencies. I'm going to be trading some stocks, and this is my first trade right here. So we have about 6 seconds left here, and it looks like we might be profiting here. So here, great $576 first profit. So let's go into why I did that trade. So why did this trade is because I saw a crossover here. So I saw the MACD crossover, right? And at this point, I also saw a buy signal on the SuperTrend indicator along with the Parabolic SAR. So everything was lined up. So the Parabolic SAR is these dots right here. So if it's above, that is a sell sign. If it's below, that's a buy sign, okay? And of course, like I said, the crossover and the overall upwards momentum, many different factors. So what helped me also make this decision was that the AI at becoinnet also helped me with this decision. It said that it was going to go up around within around a 90% accuracy in the next minute, and sure enough, I trusted it, and I went with the trade. So you don't really have too much time to really decide in these kind of fast situations. So I would recommend becoinnet in situations like this. Okay, so now let's go over to some different assets, and this one, everything is kind of saying it's going to go down for the most part. So if it does cross over downwards, it might be a really good sell opportunity. And now there's actually a buy signal here happening right now. I'll be kind of curious to see what becoinnet says. You can actually search up all the assets. So all assets, and you can search up things like AUD CAD. So AUD CAD. And you can see what's going to happen in the next minute or so. So in the next minute or so, it's going to go up. It looks like it's going to go up, right? So I personally don't have the risk tolerance for this, especially since it has about a 66% chance of going up. I would like more closer to the, 80-90% range. That's just my personal risk tolerance, and it does look like it is going up, though. It's just that it looks like it has been trending down a little bit, and the buys are not that impressive. So I can see there's a buy signal here, it went up a little bit, and then it stagnated, it went down a little bit, right? So I think something very similar might happen here, especially with the red, as you can see right here. So I do think that this not a very strong sign. I think that I would like something a little bit better. Let's look around here a little bit. This one here is, see right here. I think this could be potentially, it has really good potential, I would say. So it has been trending upwards. So if the only thing stopping me right now is it's the SuperTrend indicator that's saying it's a sell right here, actually. And it does seem to have some pretty green looking momentum on, on the asset here. So I think it could be a pretty good 1 minute buy, actually. So I might go forward and do this one. Let's do this one right here. So I do believe it did cross over above, so that's good to see. Now it's doing all sorts of things now. It's very volatile now. So this is definitely a little bit of a riskier trade, especially since the super trend indicator is a fairly accurate indicator, and it is saying it's a sell now, not a buy. But the other indicators are saying the opposite thing. So I am taking a little bit of a gamble here and saying it will go up. Let's see in the next 23 seconds or so what it does. So now it does cross over back downwards, it seems. Let's see. So it looks like this gamble was not very successful. Let's do another trade. So let's go ahead and look through some of these assets here. These are all sells. So sell, 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 crossover down. I might do a shorter trade here, maybe 15 seconds. So quick little sell there, 15 seconds. Everything is saying it's going to go down. So might as well just play with the momentum there. 15-second quick trade, right? So very difficult to go wrong in this situation. So again, made the money back really quick, right? So I do think I'm a little bit better at shorter term trades. So yeah. But if most people, I think most people would excel at 1 minute trades, and becoinnet actually does offer 1 minute forecasts. So, for example, here there's a 1 minute forecast for AUD COD, right? And it's really great to use becoinnet as an assist, especially if you're more of a intermediate or beginner trader. Okay, and here I think that it does have a decent chance of going upwards now, especially with the upwards trajectory and everything. So I would take a little gander at this one right here. Let's see how this candlestick plays out. Okay, so that is a hammerhead. It's a decent one, I would say. So it's not bad, but obviously it could be a lot better. Let's see. It's a little bit of a gamble here, but I think that it does have a decent chance. And this one did lose. So all of my gamble trades, sure enough, have lost. Um, let's do a Euro USD now. So here I think I can make a quick little scalp momentum down, but it's a little bit risky for this one. Let's go to another one. Maybe a quick little buy here or not. So here, nothing's really aligning at all. Nothing is aligning actually. So that's really not a good trade. Let's see here. So it's a buy. This one here. I think this could be a pretty decent short-term buy. See here. So this is everything kind of lining up. It's saying buy here, it looks like, or not. The saying buy, but it's going down. Okay, so sure enough, we did profit that one. That was a little bit lucky. So we are still in the green though, which is good. Okay, and now we can also reference. I like to reference becoinnet occasionally, so I can kind of look at like all assets, for example, and I said to refresh this page right here real quick. And then here you can see all the different things. So, for example, CAD, CHF is expected to go down. CAD, CHF. Let's see here. So 1 minute. Let's say go down, right? I think it didn't say it was going to go down. So let's see here. So it's going down a little bit now. So it's below the line. So it's a good sign, right? So I do think that things are, generally speaking, trending a little bit more downwards here, especially with the dot above, which is a sign that it is a sell. A crossover could be happening here very soon, if not already. A crossover here. So we have about 30 more seconds. Let's see if it can stay below the line. And let's see if becoinnet here is actually accurate. Okay, so now it's going back up. Ooh, a little bit scary. A little bit scary, right? A little bit scary. Now it's going back down. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so we've got about 10 more seconds left. Let's see if becoinnet is accurate or not. Let's see. 7 more seconds, 5 more seconds. Okay, so now it's above the line. It might be a loss, actually. Actually, it was a break even. Okay, so not a loss. Did not make a loss in the money. But of course, we're fully transparent on this channel. I will show the loss even if it is a loss, right? And now the CAD CHF is expected to go up in this time frame right here. So that was a quick little upturn, and I might actually play with it. So I might say, hey, it's going to go up. Might as well play with what it's going to say, right? Let's see if it is accurate or not. So right here, it is saying it is a buy. It does seem to be cooperating with many of the signals. Okay. Let's see if we can end this session out with a profit. Okay. So it's $300 trade right here. Let's see if it's cooperating or not. Not cooperating. So it's going downwards now. Not a really good sign, obviously. But let's see. 15 more seconds left. Let's see if that plows back up or not. A little bit under 10. Okay, sure enough, I do think this is a loss. So this trading session has been a loss. Obviously, it does happen. This channel is completely transparent. So if you watch any other videos, they are completely transparent. I'm going to cut a loss at this video right here at this amount. We did make a little bit of a loss, but considering everything, I do think it is really good trading on Polkadot option today. If you do want 80% proven accuracy trades, go to becoinnet and you can trade. You can even get a 50% bonus when you do sign up with becoinnet. All you have to do is just press trade a Polkadot option or trade on Wodex, and then you can get 50% off on your first deposit, or you can click this link as well. And this code is automatically registered when you click the links here. So really helpful, really great tool here. I would highly recommend it, going here and doing your trades. So happy trading.